Chapter 2 Songyok Personality Songyok Personality Hwaeyangjok Extrovert Hwaeyangjok Extrovert Naesongjok Introvert Naesongjok Introvert Chokukchok Active Chokukchok Active Sugukchok Passive Sugukchok Passive Kumkumada Meticulous Kumkumada Meticulous Tollongkorida Careless, always making mistakes. Tollongkorida Careless, always making mistakes. Dajonghada Sweet, considerate. Dajonghada Sweet, considerate. Mutuktukhada Blunt, unconsiderate. Mutuktukhada Blunt, unconsiderate. Nuguthada Relax, chill. Nuguthada Relaxed, chill. Guphada Be urgent, impatient, always in a hurry. Guphada Be urgent, impatient, always in a hurry. Halbarada Active Halbarada Active. Tungari Club Tungari Club. Bungsa Volunteer Service Bungsa Volunteer Service. Subkwan Habit Subkwan Habit. Kewek Plan Kewek Plan. Seuda To set up Seuda To set up. Kewegul Seuda To set up a plan. Kewegul Seuda To set up a plan. Kewegul Seuda To set up a plan. Janggi Jarang Talent show Janggi Jarang Talent show. Aphe Nasoda To come forward, to lead. Aphe Nasoda To come forward, to lead. Aphe Nasoda To come forward or to lead. Nasolda Unfamiliar Nasolda Unfamiliar. Kungmuon Public official Kungmuon Public official. Kungmuon Public official. Yumo kamkagi manta Good sense of humor. Yumo kamkagi manta Good sense of humor. Yumo kamkagi manta Good sense of humor. Solleda Excited Solleda Excited. Dathuda To argue. Dathuda To argue. Dathuda To argue. Dunghue Club Dunghue Club. Tallajida To change. Tallajida To change. Nunul Hulkida To roll one's eyes. Nunul Hulkida To roll one's eyes. Kebangjok Open-minded. Kebangjok Open-minded. Pusujok Conservative. Pusujok Conservative. Shinjungada careful. 신중하다, careful. 예민하다, sensitive. 예민하다, sensitive. 예민하다, sensitive. 정이 많다, to have lots of affection. 정이 많다, to have lots of affection. 정이 많다, to have lots of affection. 책임감, responsibility. 책임감, responsibility. 책임감, responsibility. 강하다, strong. 강하다, strong. 강하다, strong. 책임감이 강하다, to have a strong sense of responsibility. 책임감이 강하다, to have a strong sense of responsibility. 책임감이 강하다. 호기심이 많다, lots of curiosity. 호기심이 많다, lots of curiosity. 호기심이 많다,